Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I will discuss objective type questions and answers from building construction. I will also bring more Q&A videos in all civil engineering subjects. So if you are new to my channel, then click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get all kinds of updates. So let's get started. So the first question is, which type of pile is used in place where the soil is soft and has small resistance to the flow of concrete? So we have four options. Option A, pressure pile. Option B, vibro pile. Option C, Franke pile. And option D, pedestal pile. So the answer is option B, vibro pile, which the vibro pile is used in place where the soil is soft and has small resistance to the flow of concrete. Now crown is located at option A, highest point on the extruders of arch. Option B, highest point on the intruders of arch. Option C, skew back of the arch. And option D, none of these. Now the answer is highest point on the extruders of the arch. Crown is located at highest point on the extruders of the arch. Question 3. The undersurface of an arch is called option A, soffit, option B, intrudus, option C, hunch, option D, back. So the answer is soffit. Undersurface of an arch is called soffit. Now, fourth question. The foundation in which a cantilever beam is provided to join two footings is known as option A, strap footing, option B, strip footing, option C, combined footing, option D, wrapped footing. So the answer is option A, strap footing. The foundation in which cantilever beam is provided to join two footings is known as strap footing. Now, in horizontal DPC, thickness of cement concrete 1:2:4 is option A, 2 cm, option B, 4 cm, option C, 6 cm and option D, 8 cm. In horizontal DPC, thickness of cement concrete 1:2:4 is 4 cm. Option B, 4 cm. Now the 9 cm into 9 cm side of a brick are seen in all wall face is generally known as header, option A, option B, stretcher, option C, face, option D, front. So the answer is, it is generally known as header. 9 cm into 9 cm side of a brick are seen in the wall face is known as header. Next question. The range of spread from the wall base to outer edge of a brickwork foundation does not exceed option A, half horizontal to 1 vertical, 2/3 horizontal to 1 vertical, option C, 1 horizontal to 1 vertical, option D, 2 horizontal to 1 vertical. So the answer is 1 horizontal to 1 vertical. The range of spread from the wall base to outer edge of a brickwork foundation does not exceed 1 horizontal to 1 vertical. Auger boring, option A, is the most primitive method for making a hole in the ground. Option B is generally employed in cohesive and other self soils above water table. Option C is most economical up to a depth of 5 meters. Option D, all the above. So auger boring, answer is all the above, is the most primitive method for making a hole in the ground, is generally employed in cohesive and other self soils above water table and is most economical up to a depth of 5 meters. It's all the above. Now question 9, the washer placed at crown of an arch is known as a option A, key, option B, soffit, and option C, springer, option D, hunch. So the answer is key. Answer is key. So the next question. The bricklet with its length parallel to the face of a wall is known as option A, header, option B, stretcher, option C, closer, option D, none of this. So the answer is stretcher. The bricklet with its length parallel to the face of a wall is known as stretcher. Next question. Which type of truss is used to design for a factory to have spans 6 meter to 9 meter? Option A, king post truss. Option B, queen post truss. Option C, mansard truss. Option D, collar truss. So the answer is king post truss. King post truss is used to design for a factory to have span 6 meter to 9 meter. In Baranda corridor, flows outward slope is option A 1 in 40, option B 1 in 50, option C 1 in 60, option D 1 in 70. So the answer is option C 1 in 60. In Varanda corridor, flows outward slope is 1 in 60. Next question. In jack arch floor, the rise is kept option A 1/6 of span, option B 1/8 of the span, option C 1/10 of the span, and option D 1/12 of the span. So the answer is 1/12 of the span. In jack arch floor, the rise is kept 1/12 of the span. Next, black cotton soil is unsuitable for foundation because its option A, bearing capacity is low, option B, permeability is uncertain, option C, particles are cohesive, option D, property to undergo a volumetric change due to variation of moisture content. So the answer is property to undergo volumetric change due to variation of moisture content. Next question. Floor constructed with 3 mm marble chips is known as option A, mosaic floor, option B, terrazzo floor, option C, chips floor, option D, marble floor. So the answer is option B, terrazzo floor. So floor constructed with 3 mm marble chips is known as terrazzo floor. So these are the 15 questions and answers. I will bring many more Q&A videos. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.